Well, I didn't drink beer. I don't know if you know the term, but I was a straight edge. That is like a philosophy where you cannot drink, cannot consume drugs. You have to be like really loyal. So I had like 9 years of non-drink alcohol, but any drop, nothing. So when we started the business, we hired two guys to make the beer. They were really nice guys making beer. And then well, I used to give speeches in universities about entrepreneurship and all of that. So those guys tell us, okay, we want to create our own business and we want to go. Well, I cannot tell them no, right? So we said okay, and I went to my father and my sister that the associates, and I tell them, okay, I have a list of people that we can hire to make beer, and they said, you have to make the beer. So I was like getting into it forced, not because I wanted to, but it was the best of my life. So I started making beer without tasting it. So it was really weird at home. So when I have a beer that finished beer, I called them and I said, okay, taste. Tell me if it is good, if it is bad. And yeah, sometimes they said, this tastes like shit. No, yeah, this is good. We can sell this beer. So when a friend of mine came from Spain and he gave me a beer and he said, okay, I have this special beer for you and asked to drink. So I said, okay, 9 years. It's one step. I have to drink this beer, and that's the stage passed. So when I drank this beer, I felt, I don't know, amazing in the space, and I tell myself what I've been losing, right? It's yeah, it's amazing. So I started to taste a lot of beers, and I started to travel, not to get drunk, right? To learn. So I started to travel, and in Costa Rica, well, my the beer that has changed me all was the Pliny the Elder from Russian River. That I taste tipas, and I said, okay, this is like bitter, yeah, okay, nice, but I'm not like into it. But when I go to San Francisco and taste the Pliny the Elder for the first time in fresh beer, I said, okay, now I need to learn how to make this beer. So